Alright, today we're just going to be putting battery master switch on here. He wants it installed in the back. So we did have one that was just a little gate. He switched here, but he was getting annoyed having to take the hood off, and then it broke, and yada yada yada. So we're going to put one of these other disconnect switches on there that are actually very convenient. But I brought all my extra battery cables as soon as I reach all of them. And then I don't think I'll need that stuff. But I brought battery terminals. And then right here is the switch that we're going to use. So I just got to be able to drill some decent sized holes. So that's where it'll be located. I got the back cover, I got sealant to put around the edge. So I just need to knock out 2 of them walls, drill a couple bigger holes here somewhere to bring the ground out here. So the battery ground that was here, it's just right there. So if I need to, I can take that out and make a little bit longer one to go through here. Because I'm thinking that may be what I need to do, unless there's another zip tie right there that I can cut and get some more room, but I'm not sure. And that's plenty big enough. I can fill it with sealant so the cable doesn't get chafed all over it, because I don't think I have any grommets with me. No, not yet. Alright, I'm going to crimp this on here, then install it on here. Then I'm going to do the same thing here and send it right to the battery in there. Alright, you can record me. Just don't touch it and don't drop it, okay?
Okay.
Walker, you're supposed to be recording me.
Does this summer dish closer to you?
Yeah, it gets as close as you put it.
Ah, why are those screens so hot?
Because the batteries make it hot, buddy. Alright, I got these installed. I need to fill that with sealant. I don't know if I'm going to cover these in sealant or not. I kind of guess it's not worth it. Fill that with sealant. Hook this to the battery, and it should be good. Okay, so that's the switch installed. And it's off right now. I sealed both sides of the holes nice and tight. So with it off, we should have nothing, which we don't. No voltage gauge. Nothing moved. Doesn't start. Switch is on. Everything's sealed up, nice and tight. It's tidy. So that's not really a how-to on how to do a battery disconnect, but they're easy. You just split the ground and that's it.